Hi friends, we're going to do pages 12 and 13 today together. So we learned our D string notes and our A string notes the last couple exercises, and we're going to put them together. So for number 32, our first note is D, but does he look high or look low on the staff? Yes, he looks high, so it's going to be our A string D. We're going to start there. You can kind of test to see if your D sounds the same against your low D. They sound similar, but one is higher. If it's not quite in the right spot, you're going to hear something like this. See how they're fighting a little bit? Just check your fingers and make sure your sound sounds the same as what I'm playing. Here's number 33. 1, 2, 33. Now, typically there's two spots that catch fourth graders. The first one was in the top line, F sharp, D, E. You may want to practice that finger pattern a couple times at home. 3, 0, 1. One more time. The second spot's at the very beginning of the second line, D, F sharp, A. This is an arpeggio. That's in a sound we have in music. So D, F sharp, A, 0, 3, 0. 2 more times. Practice those finger patterns as much as you need to. Here's Natalie's Rose. Let's do number 34 together. 1, 2, ready. Did you see the brackets underneath line 1 and line 2? Remember, a bracket means to keep your fingers steady as you're playing the other notes, or build your tunnel, build your bridge. So the F sharp, G, A, because we're going right back to F sharp there. The second one was G, A, rest, G. So practice those couple tunnel building exercises at home. Number 35, it says to write some words. So example they give you is egg, E-G-G, but I want you to write a song there. Write any song you want. So just have fun with it, and I can't wait to hear it in lessons. Let's look over at number 36, dreidel. You can see again, there's a couple brackets underneath that keep that first note still as you play the other notes. We're going to practice a couple things together. 4 times in this song, you're going to see the pattern A, G, F sharp, E. It's a little backwards coming down scale. Let's practice it here. Ready? 2 more times. 1 more time. The other little area to practice is the A to F sharp. Happens 1, 2, 3 times in a row. A. Now if you notice, I'm building my tunnel, so you don't even have to move your fingers. 1 more time. The second one is G to E. If you remember back to number 21, Seminole Chant, we already did G to E. So you can see these finger patterns come back time and time again. Make sure you're really strong with them. Let's do all of dreidel together. 1, 2, ready. I left the rests in there. I didn't skip them. I didn't make them go too fast. Rests are important. They're like the cream of an Oreo cookie. If you have just cookies, it's not an actual Oreo cookie. That's like the music notes. They're delicious, and you need them, but the rests are like the cream. They hold the whole song together. And if you ignore the rests, you end up with a funny sounding song. It'd be like having no area to breathe, and those rests make the song itself. All right, have fun practicing. See you later.